Sending a video attachment via Yahoo Mail allows you to share large or important video files with friends, family, or colleagues directly through email. Yahoo Mail supports attachments up to 25 MB, and for larger files, you can use Dropbox integration. So go ahead, open your web browser, then go to mail.yahoo.com, log into your account, and then try composing a new mail. Tap on Compose in the top left corner of your screen. Enter the email address of the person that you'd like to send email. Now tap on the Attach Files option that is between Send and Stickers icon. Once you do that, tap on Attach Files from the recent emails or files from your computer according to your preference. Now browse on your computer and select the video file that you'd like to send. If your video is larger than 25 MB, Yahoo will prompt you to send via Dropbox. Then once the video is attached, tap on Send, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. Make sure that your internet connection is stable to avoid upload errors, and for large videos, compress the file before sending or use a cloud service link. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.